Well, hi everyone. Sorry, I'm a hot mess. Still have my gym clothes on. It's been one of those days, so I'm just trying to get some things done. I just got the kids in bed. They're still awake. So anyway, I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I made these little earring cards for my brand. It's gonna look backwards because I'm doing like the reverse camera thing. Anyway, I was trying to be thrifty here. I didn't want to spend much money on printing, so this was kind of my way of making sure I had some savings to pass along to my customers. I don't want to spend a lot of money on unnecessary things, and I feel like this is necessary, but it's something I can do myself, so I'm doing that. So I basically took this business card stock, like the Avery business card stock that you get just any Walmart office supply store, and made the cards myself using their template online, Avery Design Maker, and I just put my logo on there and my website, and then I took this wine cork. I have lots of these laying around because I do like my wine. Just put the cork behind where I want the holes to be poked, and poke on both sides where I want the earrings to hang. These in particular hang really great on this because they're threaders. So, once it's all said and done, they'll look like this. And they're really great for displaying at shows. You can I use an old shutter, so I can kind of slide these in there, or hang them on like a string or something in an old picture frame, or something to that effect. So you can get really creative with these, or you can just stand them up, stand them up as a tent, like a little tent with studs. So here is the card, and I just kind of fold it in half and put my product out. These in particular that I'm working with tonight, they get a little tangled in shipping and stuff because they're very delicate. So it's taking me some time. It's time consuming, but it's worth it. It's just, again, it's just a way that I save my customers money, save myself money so that I can save my customers money. These are super tangled. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get those untangled that quickly. I might need to work on these a little bit. So let me get the next set. Let's see. There we go. Here's some. These will be easier to work with. They're not all tangled as bad. I say that until I get them out and they tangle at that moment. Okay, here we go. So I got my folded card. Very easy to just stick the earring in and pull it through. Let's do that with the other one too. These are so pretty. The ones I was working with a second ago are zodiac signs. So I have all the zodiac signs in my store. These are just a pretty circle, which I love. They're so delicate and dainty and beautiful. All right, so this is kind of a way for your boutique that you can do something yourself and save yourself some money, save your customers some money. Have a good night.